Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sorry Sam Beer Reviews, and today we're going to be doing something a little special. It's an excellent brunch drink and Memorial Day or even hangover drink, and this is the Beermosa. And now we're going to be doing it with a couple different beers. You can do it with really any beer you want. All the ones I've had, they use a triple Belgium, like a smoother one, not like, well, you can use a super dark one, but that's how I've always done it. And then I read online that you can actually, Blue Moon is a lot of what people use, so we'll try that one too. But thank you so much for clicking on the video, and if you wouldn't mind, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And tell me what special beer drinks you guys make for Memorial Day, or any sort of drink, or just special occasions. I want to know. But we're going to dive into it. So making a Beermosa is super easy. All you need is 3 simple ingredients. You just need some orange juice, your beer of choice, and then some champagne or Prosecco. Some people don't even use the champagne, they just use the orange juice in the beer, but I love champagne, so we're going to use it. A little bit of bubbly never hurts. So for our triple Belgium of choice, we're going to be using Duval, excellent triple Belgium. I was looking for my classic St. Bernardus, but I chose not to go with it. Now for the parts, it's super easy. I normally will try to, I'll try to do a more beer than champagne. Right about there, so I'll say half champagne or half beer, quarter champagne, and a splash of OJ. You just want that orangey tint. And then for our regular beer, like I said, we're going to be using Blue Moon, which should be nice because it already has an orangey taste to it. So that's exciting. Super easy to make. Excellent brunch drink. I actually had some of these to cure a hangover. And man, it did do the trick, I'll give it that. But you gotta be careful, especially if you're using the triple Belgiums, because they'll sneak up on you. And then a little bit of champagne. I got just some cheap old Boaster. I think this is like $9, so cheap stuff, don't need anything special. Pour it up to about yay. Same thing with this dude. Right about there. Put the beer. That'd be interesting to mix those up. And then finally, again, just a little splash of OJ. I like non-pulp, and you can get whatever orange juice you want. I'm not going to tell you any differently. But that's it. Super simple. And there you have it. Why does this feel chunky? It says no pulp. I hope it's no pulp. It's like frozen. I hear something in it. Oh wow. Be nice and cold. But there you have it. That's the Beermosa. We'll try them out. It is a beer review channel with the golden dry. Oh, that's what I remember. So good. Goes down so smooth. You really with the triple Belgium, because they're nice and smooth beer, they go down really easily. You don't really get a bitter aftertaste. But again, the percentages on these guys, like they'll get you there. I want to say 8.5%. Like it's a heavy beer, but you don't taste it. Like triple Belgiums. So good. Cream of the crop. And then finally, the Blue Moon. Very nice. I like the Blue Moon. I do like it, but to me, it kind of just tastes like shit. It tastes like a mimosa, which isn't a bad thing. Mimosas are great, but with this, you do get a little bit more, which I think sets it apart from it just being a mimosa with beer in it to a Beermosa. So with me personally, stick with the triple Belgium, get a nice light one. This was again, it's a strong Belgian blonde, but they're really good, and Duval's an excellent beer in itself. But that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Short little video today. You guys have a happy Memorial Day weekend and enjoy the Beermosas. Cheers everybody. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless.